Hey, what's up everybody? We're back with another vlog. Sun is shining, car's looking good, and we're going downtown. All the way downtown Toronto. There's Importfest. That's what we're recording today. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you when I get down. So welcome to Importfest 2019. We're in 2019. This car, see, it's one of the things that I look at and I like it. It's pretty clean build. I'm gonna go take a walk around. I'm gonna take a video of all the cars that I like, and in between I'm gonna ask you guys to comment down below which ones are your favorite. So stay tuned and let's go look at the cars. So here's my one question. We got American, we got Japanese, we got Korean, and we got German cars. What is your preference to modify? I don't know myself yet. I bought my car because I need a daily driver, but for modification, if money was not a problem, if you were just looking for a car to buy and modify, I've seen it all here. There is all sorts of modified cars right here. I want to ask you guys to go comment down below. What is your preferred kind of car to modify, you know? It's gonna be a heated discussion, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's truck almost hit me just for this shot. We got the shot though, we got the shot. We're good, we're good. We're golden. By the way, I love this car just because how clean it's built. Look at it, it's got carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk, and it's got a massive diffuser that looks actually good. There's, I've been looking for diffusers for my car, and this is one of the diffusers that I like. Mazda RX-7, 1988. I saw that from the sticker. However, here's a challenge for me, just for fun, just for you guys to have a good laugh at it. I'm gonna go down this row and I'm gonna try to name every single car in this row. If I mess it up, you guys have fun, laugh. If I get them correct and I pronounce it wrong, it's still a good thing for you guys, so let's go do it. So over here, we got a STI Subaru. We got BMW M5, we're going with M5. This is a Z350, done up very well. I love the paint, good job to whoever painted this thing. We got a Civic hatch, very old. This is way out of my era. Like, when this car was running, I was probably not even born, so I wouldn't even know what this thing is, so no clue. Moving on to the next one. We got a Skyline GTR R32. Over here, we got a Porsche 911. Over here, American Muscle. We got the Charger. Finally got the big engine. This thing, Civic S-Type. This thing, Nissan 350Z again. We got Volkswagen Jetta GLI. We got the S2K over here. And then we go over here. We got another S2K. Can we call this his and hers? Can we call this Track and Cruiser? Something like that. I don't know. They both look good. Look good. Genesis Coupe. We got the muscles over here. We got Shelby GT500. Nice. I like this one. I really like the Shelbys. Mustang with Lambo doors. Is that a yay or a nay? I'm gonna write this in the comments myself. Go do this or this. Tell me which one you guys think. Is that a yes or a no? Can a Mustang have Lambo doors? Next one, we got Mitsubishi Lancer. Good job. This is actually looking pretty neat. We got the Genesis in blue here. I love the blue. Oh my god, look at this. Whoa, guys, look at these wheels. These are so deep. These look so nice. I love them. Okay, if we want to keep going, let's see. We got more STIs here. We got one of my favorite builds is actually down here. Reference, when I say down low on the ground, this is what I mean. Look at here. Yep, doesn't fit. This car is literally on the ground. I can't even fit my finger in there. Drop top convertible, manual, M4, on air suspension. What can I say? That's why I like it. It has everything you need from a car to enjoy it and enjoy it and enjoy it even more. Let's go see other cars. This is a Elantra done up. I don't really see this every day, so I thought to talk with the owner. You know, randomly I found the owner here. I wanted to ask you, what have you done to the car? I can see the tank here, so it's on air suspension, and I can see a bunch of things, but why don't you go ahead and tell us what have you done with the car?
So overall, we got a full custom exhaust, 2.5 inch from turbo back, custom quad tip to wide pipe. Obviously, we got the management here for the air setup. 2 Rockford Fosgate 10-inch subs.
That's in here. Yeah, we couldn't really see it from out there, but sure.
Carbon fiber, custom wheel, made by SoCal Garage Works. Roof wrap black, 3M, taillights tinted. Custom splitter kit all the way around by Ventus Auto Works. Carbon fiber window louvers. Oddhon DSO1 wheels. Mirror caps painted gloss black. Custom headlights and grill done by myself.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Grill and the custom headlights?
Yeah.
I think this guy knows what he's saying, right? I mean, he built a headlight that looks good. He built the whole car that looks actually pretty good done up. So I would say good job, man. Good job.
you.
It looks very good. What's your name?
Appreciate it, Adam.
Adam. Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, my Instagram is at broken16. If you want the sticker on the back, it'll probably spell it. It's a little easier to say.
There you go, broken16. That's his Instagram. This is actually a pretty good done up car. I just wanted to talk to the owner. You don't actually see many owners down here in Importfest. All the cars are parked and the owners are kind of like chilling and checking out other cars. So when I saw one of the owners, I said, hey, this is an unusual car. Give me a little bit of, history of what you've done to the car. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a different thing that I've done in this video. Let's go see the rest of the video. Can you guys guess what is this car from inside? I'm gonna go outside. Make your guess. Faster. Can you guess now? Come on, make some guesses. We're gonna go around. You should know by now. Hey, it's a Mini Cooper. Actually looks sick. Wait. It's got VTEC in it. Hey, VTEC on the boys. We got a Mini Cooper with a VTEC in it. Hey. They legit have RC cars here that they drift. I mean, it's amazing. The guys here are pretty cool. I'm just waiting for them to fix up something, and then they told me they can get my GoPro on one of those cars. Shot I've ever seen, ever got. Thank you so much to this dude. That's a page you guys gotta follow. These guys build the coolest RC cars. He just gave me this footage, drifting all around the place, around people in the track. I don't even know what to say. The footage was thanks to him. I mean, my camera was mounted, but he did all the work. I don't even
wait
know.
to see it.
Yeah.
I always love seeing other people's
I'm
cameras
gonna-
edited.
I'm
Buddy will be in it, yeah.
There you go. Everyone's waiting for it. I'm gonna edit this thing. You guys are gonna see it. They're gonna see it. Everyone's gonna see it thanks to him.
Yes.
Yo, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
I really appreciate it.
Yes, Strictly's a community, and we all have our individual things. So
Actually, do you wanna tell us? Do you wanna tell us a little bit? What is
little
this thing?
bits going on. Well, basically they're RC drift cars, specifically designed for drift. So we got lots of angle, lots of steering angle, and I don't know, you couldn't really see it from the onboard, but the idea is just like the FG cars.
So sorry. Man.
So they drift just like real life, and yeah, they're a lot of fun. The most scale, and they drive scale, upscale, lots of control, lots of fun. Put whatever body you want on it.
You want to give us a
send
little bit of details? How are they built? What did you build them out
Well,
of?
you can buy them as a kit and build them yourself, and then customize it as you go. They do sell ready to run ones as well, where you just buy it, put batteries in it, and go. So a little bit of everything. You can get ones that are just all plastic. You can get them carbon fiber, aluminum stuff all on it. Different colors of aluminum. We have pink, purple, red, gold. We have all kinds of colored chassis now. So a little bit of everything, yeah. So
Why don't you tell people where can they find you?
you can find us on the internet primarily. We used to have a track. It closed down sadly a couple months ago, but Strictly Sidewayz, we're on Facebook and Instagram. So check us out. Drop us a line in there, and we'll help you get set up if you're looking for something or looking to buy something or just info or pictures. We'll send you some links or whatever, help you out.
There you
Yeah,
go.
so-
That's the footage from Strictly Sidewayz Importfest setup. It was amazing. They have a track here. They have so many cars here. And I asked the man himself if he can do a bunch of drifts for me. And you guys got to see it. I hope you enjoyed it. And here we go, the drift car. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button so you can see my future build and car show and everything that I go to. Hit that subscribe button, it's free. And there's a like button, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. This is where we're gonna end tonight's video, just because I like this car. I think it's my favorite car of the whole Importfest, and it's from Toronto, so good for us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.